Welcome back everyone to episode number 59 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn into $1 million. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving, but as you know, I will still always be banging out that content for you, no matter the time of year, no matter the season, no matter the day of the week, no matter if it's a holiday, day and night, in and out. I always make sure to upload at least one video a day. I do daily uploads. So if you do respect that, if you want to put some respect on that, go ahead and just smash the like button for me. I would greatly appreciate that. Just hit the like button. And as a little bit of a thank you, because it is Thanksgiving, we are feeling thankful, we are feeling grateful. There is so much to be grateful for, even in such a time, a weird era that you think we might be in, as we are in right now. There is still so much to be grateful and thankful for. So as a bit of a thanks, you can go ahead and actually use my link down below in the description when you sign up with Webull. You'll actually get 2 free stocks, all on me, all free, 2 free stocks, one valued up to $1,600 when you use my link down below in the description. Or, if you're not a fan of Webull, you can use Robinhood. Robinhood, you can go ahead and get a free stock, something valued up to the likes of Facebook, Microsoft, Twitter, something along those lines. And if you want to do both, you can do both as well. There's no harm in doing that. You can actually sign up for both accounts. You will have to, of course, have your money split up between the two, but you could still do both. So it's totally up to you. You could fund it with as little as like $1. So that's my little thank you, Thanksgiving gift right there. And let's go on with the show. So in this video, we do have another stock to look at a little bit later on in this episode. We also have to do a look at the profit and loss numbers and the charts, so we'll do that right now. So we have GOL Airlines, and we are up 102 or 13.09% on GOL. I am now up over $1, and just so you understand, I only had one share. If you time that by 10, that'd be up over $10 times 100. That would be up over $100. So you do the math there. Got in at a very good price, picture perfect. And so we are now up $1.02 or 13.09. Yelp as well, only one share, but still 545 or 19.10% up there. Almost 20% now with Yelp. 20%, and I just bought it. Craziness. CVS has been fluctuating. The other day it was in fact in the green, but as of this moment, right now, it is down 30 cents or just less than 0.5%, 0.43%, not worried. DGLY, despite the fact that we have been down for quite a while, it did make a slight recovery in the last couple days. We are down though 36.52 or 40.19%. OXLC, we're up 48 cents or 1.20. Very green looking portfolio there. Still, the red does kind of masquerade the green, but it's okay. It's okay. We are still up and we're doing well. Of course, I've made profits on past stocks as well, so you don't get the entire representation here. You only get what we're at right now and of this moment. So let's go now to GOL. GOL up 13 cents, 1.5%. The last trading day before Thanksgiving. Pretty good. 5 days. You can see a nice uptrend there. 1 month. Very, very optimistic looking there. You could see about 36% just for the month. Just in the last month. Beautiful recovery. Stunning recovery at that. We have Yelp stock up over 58%, almost 2% there if you include after hours. And so, as a matter of fact, it does surpass 2% if you include after hours. But you can see the 5 days also looking green there, up a few bucks in the last few days. The 1 month, very green and almost doubled, about 71% right there. 6 months, you can see the noticeable uptrend happening right now. Truly, truly lucky plays. Very impressed with my picks, I must say. CVS stock. CVS took a little bit of a dive, 80 cents, but not concerned. 5 days, it's still way up. I'd say about over $1.50 there for the last 5 days. Pretty good for CVS. We have DGOY. DGOY actually did go up 18 cents or up over 7.5% the last trading day before Thanksgiving. 5 days, it's still in a uptrend there. Even the 1 month does maintain the green, and so does the 6 months. But you can see where we're at this period right now of total stagnation, basically an impasse. No movement one way or the other necessarily. OXLC up a cent there. It's pretty choppy, but over the last 5 days it has been up. Good uptrend there, up over 8%. Gorgeous, gorgeous movement here. 16% there for the 1 month. And you could see how for a while, you know, it was pretty choppy, up a little bit, down a little bit, but now it is starting to break out. Hopefully if it could break out at some of these highs, it has already surpassed the August high. Has it surpassed the January, or that's June rather, my eyes, sorry. It has surpassed the June high, so it has actually broken out of a 6-month high. And now we're just waiting for even more and more. What can it do? April, could it surpass the April high of $5.84, nearly $6? We'll have to see. And then pre-pandemic, now we're getting into, it'd actually be doubling your money there if it could. So not bad at all. Now the stock I wanted to look at in this episode is going to be very big company, Square, also owned by Jack Dorsey of Twitter. He owns Twitter and also Square, if you didn't know. Square has been around for a while. It's not necessarily new. It went public rather recently, right? It's not too much of an old stock. It's been on the market for a few years, but in recent days, it has just set record high after record high after record high. You can see just on the trading day before Thanksgiving. Up, if you include after hours there, up about $12, up about 6%. 5 days just alone, up over about 11.5%. The 1 month, up roughly over 22% there. 6 months even, you can see this now. That's where we're getting into the big stuff. More than double. We're looking at 140% there. Year to date, you could also see 233.5%. This stock is thriving and has made millionaires so far. If you bought it, let's say at the lowest point back in March of the market, you know, we're talking over 400% there. Of course, when it originally went public back in 2015, you could have scooped it up at 12, 10, 11, 10, 9. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Do I regret not picking up this stock? Probably, you know, but you just don't know. You just don't know what's going to happen. You just don't know which stocks to pick. It is a tough game. It is very tough. You have to be very intelligent, very intuitive, very forward-thinking. You have to think outside the box or outside the square in this particular scenario, but it is tough. It is tough. You win some, you lose some. So that's where we are right now. Let's look at the net account value. We're actually at 210.00 on the dot there. 210 rather, on the nose, and we're doing good. This is definitely a good standing point right now for this portfolio. I have no complaints. Once I sell some of these stocks and then reinvest, and hopefully we can start peeking into the 220s, 230s. We'll see what happens. Of course, the more the merrier. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, happy Thanksgiving, by the way, once again. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, smash the like button. Also, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the big red button. Also, the notification bell as well. That will just notify you every single time I make a new video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.